Hey guys, just got the new release of A Christmas Carol with Jim Carrey. This one is a 4-disc and it comes with a nice 3D hologram. It's a lenticular hologram. What I usually do is I peel this off and I put inside, so I have this forever. But it's a Blu-ray 3D, you have a Blu-ray, you have a DVD, and also a digital copy. Let's remove this. Let me show you inside. So 4-disc. Digital copy, DVD. This one is the 3D and this one is the regular Blu-ray. If you haven't seen a 3D, it's exactly the same. There's nothing different here. But of course you need a compatible TV, glasses, and your Blu-ray player must be compatible as well. As usual, Disney brings these booklets showing the upcoming releases. I have Santa Claus, Fantasia, November 30th. Bambi, March, and Sorcerer's Apprentice next week. Here we have just a flyer talking about the 3D experience and the rewards. If you don't sign up, DisneyMovieRewards.com, it's really good. Let me show you the bonus features here. I still haven't tested, but the DVD is region 1 and the Blu-ray seems to be just region A.